Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Roblox Studio. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, if you are using either your desktop app or using the website, just click on Create and then it will take you to the Creator Hub. In the quick links, you can find either roblox.com or Studio. You need to click on Studio and then just click on Open Roblox if you already downloaded it, or just download Studio and then install it. So here I'm just going to open Roblox and we can start using our Roblox Studio. So after the startup, we can find here this navigation bar. We find the new where you can start having your new creation. You can have themes, gameplay. And of course, here you can find your creations, the recent work that you are working on, and this is some uh, tutorial about Studio. So I'm just going to click on New, and here you can start with the classic base plate. And basically, now it will generate this terrain, and here we can find the workspace or the explorer. And basically, everything is an object of or anything is concerning some objects on your term. So either you can start having your toolbox where you can find some ready models. Like here you can start seeing some models, plugins, images, or any other stuff that are already in the market, or you can start generating your own tools but with the editor. So here you have the editor and you can start generating some stuff and you can fill in. Otherwise, let's just clear this one. Yes. And you can start like creating some parts by uh, clicking on these parts. And of course, you can search or you can control the type of the parts. So I'm just going to zoom in and let's just have, for example, I have these parts or those are the things that I have created. So I can just go here on my workspace and I can start deleting things or clicking on Control Z to go back or to undo. And as you can see, those are the parts that I'm controlling here. So if I delete it from here, it will be deleted from my terrain or visualization. So let's have again our block. I'm just going to drag it here. You can double click on it or just go here to the properties so we can find all the properties concerning any object. Basically, these things or this tutorial will be applied on all the objects of Roblox Studio. So here, those are some colors. As you can see, this is the property color. Here we can find this is the brick color, and those are the outline color or the whole color. Of course, you can find the material. There is much materials here, and you can find them here on the material manager. For example, I can choose cobblestone, and you can have it for this one, or basalt, and you can, or concrete and fabric, for example, fabric, and you will see that it is changing its fabric. So as you can see, you will need just to right click to find other stuff or other properties, but those are the main properties. So as you can see, this is how you can change, for example, the material, and there are some variants that can be on some materials like the concrete, for example. Let's go for uh, C concrete, and we can find the variants like this. And of course, you can find the transform for size, position. You can start have some other properties, etc. So basically, this is how you can use Studio to create any other object that you want. Thank you for watching and see you next time.